For some reason, nakakuha tayo rito ng bigating mensahe. Yan oh, bigating mensahe, heavy message, no? Or malaking message, parang may malaking revelation, no? Tayong pwedeng i-look forward dito sa reading ninyo, no? So, another chika na naman tayo today para pagchismisan ang buhay nyo. Okay, so let's go ahead at ating alamin all together. What is this big thing, no? Or ano ba itong bigating mensahe na ito para sa'yo? Whoever this person is right off the bat, no, sa paglay natin ng ating energy sa ating table, definitely nakakita ko rito, no, that your souls ay magkatali, no? So with the Four of Wands energy, in other words, no, kasal ang inyong mga kaluluwa. Ayan, no? Pag Tagalog, ang bigat ng datingan, eh, no? Kasal ang inyong kaluluwa and high chance that with the chariot card right in here, this is definitely, okay, hontoni, okay, in Japanese, no, like really, okay. So, ito ay iyong twin flame. So, ano ba yung twin flame, Miss yan? Naririnig ko kasi yan, pero hindi ko masyadong magets, no? Yeah, mga babes, I'm gonna give you a brief description what twin flame is. No, twin flame is that, no, with the word or root word twin, 'di ba in Tagalog kambal, no? So kayong dalawa, ibig sabihin galing kayo sa iisang soul, no? Na pinag-split dito. Okay, nahati 'yun sa dalawa, no, pero galing kayo sa isang soul. No, imagine niyo kunyari itlog, 'di ba? Hatiin mo sa gitna or tinapay na lang, hatiin mo sa gitna, 'di ba? Galing pa rin 'yun sa iisang buong tinapay, no? So kayo ay nagkalayo lamang, no? Kaya, okay, kung sino man 'tong energy ninyo, you could be, energy na ka-connect ninyo, no, you could be mirroring each other high chance, no? Meaning to say, may ugali ka na ugali din niya. Okay, this person right in here is also someone na may mga similarities kayo sa inyong mga kilos, might be habits as well, might be sa mga favorites ninyo, no, galawan ninyo at actions, no? But this is your person. Okay? 101% your twin flame, no? So your twin flame, I do pick up right here is lumalabas very strongly, no? At kayong dalawa ay definitely kasal, no? Ang inyong mga kaluluwa. Let us see. Yeah, look at that. See, we have here past encounters, maaring past life encounters ito with the Six of Cups energy, definitely. We also have here this Three of Cups and nandito rin ang Four of Cups. So, ang bigat nun. Ba't na ba yun, Miss yan, no? Okay, kapag kayong dalawa ay nagtagpo ng muli, hindi na kayo mapaghihiwalay dito kailanman. Ayan, no? So, nakikita natin dito, no, na kung kayong dalawa ay nagka-split kayo rito, no, because you came from one soul, magiging isa kayong muli. Ayan hati dito may mga new person ito, no? At yung iba naman, no, yes, may energy rito ng person na minahal mo. Kung sino man yon, you have someone on your mind, no? Heavily, okay? Just take how this resonates, okay? Just this energy is also a second confirmation that you are really married with this person's soul. High Priestess and the Queen of Cups, no? Okay, definitely pwede mong gamitin daw ang iyong intuition, no? Yung alignment ng iyong mind, heart, and soul will recognize this person right in here, no? Without any doubt and hesitation, no? Pero maaaring mapaisip ka, no? Ano ba itong nararamdaman ko? Bakit ganito? Yan, no? Kasi nga kung sino man ito na makikita mong muli ay ang iyo ritong twin flame. Yan, no? Ayun pala yung twin flame is yan. Oo. We have here the Two of Wands energy, no? Mamaya ang iba pang information, ilatag muna natin lahat. Okay? Tower energy. Okay? Para sa ating bottom of the deck, we've got the Three of Wands in reverse. Eight of Wands. and the lovers. So, hi and hello there, collective. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. Returning Istam buyers, thank you so much, no? Dahil wala kayo ritong sawa sa pakikinig at panonood. At yun nga, wala rin po tayo rito na gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, everybody welcome, no? Meron pa tayong other channel kung gusto ninyo na manood at tumambay dyan, go ahead, you can do that, no? May mga collective readings din tayong ina-upload dyan, araw-araw. Tama ang rinig mo, everyday yan mga babes, no? Everyday! Meron kayong tatambayan dito, here, and there. At yun nga 'no, wala na po tayong time period, puwedeng nangyari na, yung iba nangyayari na po ngayon, yung iba ay nangyayari pa lamang or mangyayari pa lamang I mean. So, just take only what resonates 'no, and siyempre mga babes 'no, nakita tayo dito ng energy na lumalabas 'no. Your twin flame is about to meet you again. At this time, hindi na kayo magkakahiwalay ever, kahit kailanman, period, padlock, susi, tapon dagat. So, kung sino man 'tong energy na ito, this is someone right in here 'no, na someone na alam mo sa puso mo 'no, na siya lang yung mahal mo, okey? Yung iba sa inyo 'no, this is the person na iniisip mo ngayon, yes. Yung person na ini-imagine mo ngayon, yes. But to some of you, this is a new person right in here 'no, like, hindi mo pa siya naka in relationship in this 3D world. But for others, yes, naka-in relationship niyo na siya in this 3D world, okay? So just take how this resonates. But no matter what the situation is, okay, in separation man kayo nitong twin flame mo na 'to, it's about time para muli kayong maging isa, okay? Your souls ay kasal dito, Four of Wands energy, okay? Ang inyong mga kaluluwa ay kasal at nakikita yeah, you could be seeing a lot of number 4, 4444, angel number 444, okay? Family, home, definitely. This is someone right here, no, na nakikita ko, no, na ikaw ang kanyang home at siya ang iyong home right in here. Someone that you will build a family with. Someone that will be with you like a future companion here, no, lifetime companion here that will truly understand and support you kagaya ng apat na pantay-pantay na paa ng mesa. So kung sino man 'tong energy na ito nakikita natin dito 'no, that your intuition will guide you, okay? That this is really the person you're meant to be with 'no. So with the Two of Wands energy, prepare yourself because you are about to cross paths once again with the person you are meant to be with, no? Others of you, yes, no? Ito yung person na iniisip mo ngayon, like you have specific person on mind and you love this person here so much, no? Definitely, no? And yeah, I'm seeing right here that you will feel so grateful, like, akala ko talaga miss yan, and na, or over na, between the both of us, pero this is really the reading, the confirmation that we're really for each other, that we belong together. Yes, you heard it right. This is definitely the big sign. Itong reading na to ang isang malaking sign, no? Na para talaga kayo sa isa't isa. Whoever this, ang aga naman ng mga initials. Pinakita na agad rito, simulan na rin natin agad banggitin. Unang-una nandito letter M, andito rin ang letter S, mawawala ba naman dito ang letter U. We also have here the letter G, andito rin ang letter O, ang letter I, and last but not the least, the letter C. Okay, so yeah, no, for those initials right in here, just take how this resonates, and yun nga, no, going back right in here, no, this is truly the partnership, okay, that you've been waiting for all your life. So I do pick up that this is your truth, okay? Everything right here, no, will be laid dito sa inyong dalawa. Okay? The universe ay may mga plano for the both of you guys, no? And if you think that kayo nitong person na to ay hindi na for each other, okay? You're definitely wrong because I'm seeing you getting back into each other's arms, no? But if it is someone na hindi mo pa naka-in relationship in this 3D world, okay? This is the person, okay, na nakikita natin dito na unang-una mo pa lang siyang makita, alam mo na siya ang iyong twin flame. Siya, okay, ay yeah, okay, I just heard dito, no? Siya ay bahagi ng iyong pagkatao. Yes, okay. Kaya nga yung ibang tao alam mo, hindi ko alam pero parang nagkita na tayo, ano? So may mga gano'n 'di ba, parang nakita na kita or "Saan nga ba kita nakita?" Mga gano'n 'no. So definitely, okay, puwedeng hindi nakita nila yon in this 3D world 'no, but their soul recognize, okay, yung soul ng person na yon, okay. Maybe they meet again 'no, after several, past lives dito, 'di ba? So may mga gano'ng klase ng encounterments, okay. However, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to with this Tower card energy, nakikita natin dito 'no, everything 'no will be cleared right in here and will be over soon 'no. So nakikita natin dito 'no that you two guys 'no ay talaga naman na for each other talaga. So ano't ano man yung naging dahilan rito 'no ng inyo ritong pansamantalang pagkakawalay sa isa't isa 'no, yeah, I keep on seeing a lot of you. You really have a specific person on your mind 'no. Yes, 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 sweetheart 'no, the universe is telling us, yes, 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 yan talaga yung person mo, yan ang twin flame mo 'no. So, no matter what happen, your twin flame will come back to you because you are the other half, you are the significant half or the significant other of that person. That's why your souls are married right in here. Kasal inyong kaluluwa. At itong reading na ito, ang big sign that that person is someone meant for you. Galit ka ba, Miss Yan? Hindi. Pinapaliwanag ko lang. With the Lover's card energy, for a lot of you, you might be confused right now, especially if meron ng bago sa buhay ninyo, no? But you just can't understand, no? Parang kahit may mga dumadating, bakit patuloy ko pa rin minamahal itong tao na to na sa aking nasa isipan, you know? Bakit hindi ko magawang maibaling ang aking pag-ibig sa iba? Sapagkat siya ang iyong twin flame, 'no, and you're meant to be with your twin flame, 'yan, 'no. And others of you, if you haven't been in a relationship with this twin flame dito sa 3D world, 'no, you might be wondering, bakit meron namang mga other options around me? Bakit hindi ko sila magustuhan? Is there really someone for me? Yes, because your twin flame is coming to town. It's not Santa Claus, it's not a bird, it's not even a plane. Your twin flame is coming to town, no? Your twin flame is coming to town. Yan, no? So, kung sino man tong energy na to, yes, no? Ginawa ko yun sa tono ng holiday season because others of you, you already met this person right in here, no? Long time ago pa nga yung iba, pero yung iba, no, na hindi nyo pa ito nakikita, you might be meeting this person here before year 2025 ends, no? And others of you, you might not be realizing it now, but you met him or her already, no? Baka nasa tabi nyo na, nasa paligid-ligid lang siya, di ba? Kaya naman kung sino man tong energies na to, definitely, your separation will be over soon. Everything right in here will be laid very organized, no? Sa inyo ditong life and everything will flow naturally with the Eight of Wands right in here because wala talaga tayo rito ibang daan kundi kayong dalawa ay walang ibang dadaanan kundi papunta or patungo sa piling ng isa't isa. Ay, bongga! Kaya kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to ng mga babes 'no, dahil kasal inyong mga kaluluwa, kayong dalawa ay nakikita ko rito 'no, na para talaga sa isa't isa. Kaya hindi talaga rito malayong mangyari na kayo rito ay magkita ngayon muli at ikasal talaga for real na naman. 'Di ba? So, parang ito ay renewal of your vows 'no, kung ang inyong huling naging kasal ay nung inyong mga past lives pa 'no, ilang BC na yung nakakalipas, ilang dekada na, iba 100 years na 'no. So, whatever the case may be 'no, this is the person here na muli at paulit-ulit kang ikakasal sa kanya. Marriage card right in here. Definitely the symbol here of justice, no? This is the scale right in here, no? So a lot of confirmations that both of you are definitely meant na talagang mapunta sa isa't isa. So yeah, these are all the messages. Thank you so much for getting your Yana on me. Sarang Love and Light. Annyeong.